Hi friends, David here from Learn Christmas Lighting and Above AVL. And in this video, I'm pumped. I'm excited to show you our new brand spanking new BOS Pixels. We're going to dive into what they are, why you should care, and what is really exciting about these. So let's dive in. So the BOS pixel is basically birthed out of architectural pixels. For years, these huge architectural factories that make pixels for us have built these pixels that go on the side of buildings that have a steel wire through them. Okay, and so we just carried that trend and gave it our own little blend of usage here at Above AVL. So what makes these guys interesting? Well, as you can probably see up close, essentially this is a string of pixels that has steel cable through it. So for your matrices, for your mega trees, for just hanging them in a vertical line, these really rock because essentially, there's no more, you don't have to use strip, you don't have to use a prop, a coro, anything like that. You just simply string out the pixels, pull some tension on the steel cable, not on the wire itself, and what you've got is a really nice pixel that looks really good, performs really well, and makes things interesting. So we went with a kind of a marshmallow shape on these guys. And there's a few things you're going to notice about our BOS pixels versus some of the other ones that are out there on the market. The first is going to be that, yes, like most of these products, we've tried to be really price sensitive and hit, a really competitive price point. So it's a single-sided pixel, okay? You'd see that there. But the backside has a good bit of illumination to them so that when they're hanging like this, I've got here hanging, some of these are sideways, some of these are backwards, some of these are forwards, right? On camera, from 10 feet away, can you really tell? No, it's really not that obvious because there's a pretty good amount of glow around the 360, and the shadows that there are around the other side, like we're not going to claim that there's no shadow at all, but it's a soft shadow, so it's not as apparent. These come in 3 different sizes at the time of this recording, though we can do custom, we can do other sizes. So the first is about an 8-foot string. The second is about a 16-foot string. So the 8-foot string is 50 pixels at 2 inches. The 16-foot, again, 2-inch spacing, 100 pixels, and then 32-foot, which is going to be 200 pixels. So what makes these interesting as well is that we've done a couple things that other folks haven't done. The first is, again, the illumination around the entire molded area is a lot better than some of the other products on the market. And we did some things on the inside that I don't really want to disclose just because, I don't want them to get copied tomorrow. Like I want to wait a week before they get copied, but that make that glow work better than others. The other thing we've done is the balls themselves the marshmallows are free to move on the wire a little bit. That's intentional, okay? Because the goal of the wire is that when you pull it, it pulls tight and it's not pulling tension in between the individual lights, okay? So you might ask, what keeps you from hanging it and having all of them fall down the steel completely? There's 2 main things that do that. Number 1 is at the midpoint. This is one of our 8-foot, 50-foot runs. At the midpoint, there actually is a steel loop as well as on the endpoints. Okay, why? For longer runs, not necessarily on the 8-footers, but on the 16s, the 32s, etc. A number of customers have let us know that, hey, they really love a product like this, but they want it so that in the middle, they can run a line through their megatree or horizontal through their matrix and stabilize those strings from moving around so much. Okay. Number 2 is at the ends as well as the middle, we've added wire connectors that help keep everything from moving around too much. Okay, so if the pixels start to drift down a little bit, which really doesn't happen that much, but if it did, then this keeps it at the top, in the middle, at the bottom from drifting too far. Okay, and we found in our testing these have been really good. In fact, I've got a set testing that is powered from the bottom, just like a mega tree, sitting out there. It's been sitting out there for 5 or 6 months right now, weighed by a bucket of bricks at the bottom and at the top, just hanging freely. And it's going 16 feet and it's doing great. We've really built this and really spent the time to make these BOS pixels work well for you. And I hope you can see what makes them cool. Obviously, comparatively, boom. Next to our NBG pixels, they're not quite as bright. Like most pixels of these varieties, it is a seed type pixel. We're not going to like hide anything or act like it's like the most proprietary thing in the world. Everybody's doing these, right? And it's a seed pixel, seed type pixel that's molded with the shape around it. So it is only 0.1 watt per pixel. So it's less wattage, which is great when you're running more pixels. But you see, at full, there's really an excellent amount of brightness. Like I think I'm probably going to run these at 50% or lower in the dark in an actual display, not in studio lighting like this. So the BOS Pixels, guys, from us at Above AVL. I really hope you guys enjoy these. And the cool thing about it is, at the time of this recording, these are in stock. So we're putting them out and they're in stock. So no pre-orders, no waiting, none of that beeswax. You order it and we're going to send them out, the next day. If they go out of stock, you won't be able to order them, right? Because that's how we do things at Above AVL. We don't mess around. We don't go, and play around with your money. No, we just, you order it, we send it. Really fantastic. Really glad with how they came out. I hope you guys can check them out and let us know. Either, head to our store, fill out the contact form if you have any questions, you're not sure about the BOS Pixels. We'd love to have a chat and just help you figure out what the right pixel is for you, help you get them into your hands. These are a lot of fun. There's a lot of things that we've done to try to make them very reliable, to make them look very good. And of course, like anything, just reach out to us if you need it. And, until then, I'm just going to keep pulling harder and harder on this pixel, seeing it, watching it not breaking again, because we're using the steel wire, and go build a mega tree. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you need pixels, we love to help you. Obviously, if you've gotten stuff out of our videos here at Learn Christmas Lighting, then please, we would just really love it if you make Above AVL your place to get your pixels. We're a growing vendor, and we really take amazing care of people, make sure we have really good quality products, and just have your back every step of the way. And when you order stuff from us, it pretty much all the time is in stock. We're not doing pre-orders or any of that silly business. Nope, we just send it to you. So if that resonates to you, head over to aboveavl.com. Check out our BOS Pixels. These things are awesome. We're hoping to sell the first batch out fast and order a ton more. If you could help us do that, that'd be great. And anything else you need, you can always find us at aboveavl.com. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.